All right, reporting live for WGRE television. The real Santa Claus, right here. Shantae stunting on you tramps with her Southern Miss scarf. Look. We got Eb Capone over there in the cut working security. Now we're gonna go outside and see what's happening. It's a complete onslaught. Snow's everywhere. Hattiesburg, Mississippi.
We had family members had to turn around.
Folks sliding all off the road, upside down, drowning in creeks, ravines. Shantae.
What?
I just wanted to say, Shantae, I'm signing off now. I'm gonna come back on later. But I got to show you tramps some of this snow.
Wow. Big flurry.
See you jive suckers later.